Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Inside the Body, where we explore the wonders of the human body. Today we are diving into the structural organization of the human body. Let's get started. We will start from an example. Here is the structural organization of the book from basic to complexity level. The smallest particle on the book is the letter. When letter in a book combines, they form words. When words combines, they form sentences. When sentences combine, they form paragraphs. When paragraph combines, they form a whole chapter. When chapter combines, they form sections, and when sections combine, they form a whole book or a rectangle. This example makes your concept about the organization. What is structural organization? We can apply this concept into the structural organization of the human body. Here is the complete structural organization. Atom is the smallest particle, and the highest level of organization is the organism. If we talk about human being has the smallest particle in his body is the atom. When atom combines, molecules are formed. When molecules combine, cells form. Cells are the smallest independent unit of life in the human being. A number of cells combine, they form a structure called tissue, and when tissue combines, they form organs. When organ combines, they form a system called organ system, and the number of organ systems combine, they form an organism. Now we will learn what is cell. What is the concept of cell? Cell is basically foundation of life in the human being, and cell is the smallest independent unit of life. We can also define cell. Cell is the structural and the functional unit of the human being. Here is the diagram of the cell. This contains a dark rounded structure which is present in the mid on the center of the cell. This is the nuclei, and a nuclei is surrounded by the fluid which is the cytoplasm, and both these structures are bounded or covered with a membrane called cell membrane. This is the very basic overview of the structure of the cell. After there are number of cells, they combine and form a higher level of organization after the cell, which is called tissue. Tissue is specialized for their specific function. After the cells, when cells combine, they form a structure called tissue. Here is the definition of the tissue. Body's functional layer. Tissue is the body's functional layer. This is a bookish definition that is written in the exam. Tissue is defined as the group of similar cells that work together to perform a specific role. Here is the four basic types of tissue that present in the human body. The formula for this is MENC, MENC. So how to remember this formula? Here is an example. There are four people, there are four men. So in plural we can say that men. So we have to choose the doctor among them. So the C1 is wearing stethoscope in his neck, so we can say that the C1 or the third one is the doctor. So it's the name of him is C man or man C. So these are four basic type of tissues that can be remembered easily. What is MENC stands for? M for muscular, E for epithelial, N for nervous, and C for connective tissues. Every tissue is performing a specific role. We give a very basic uh, overview on their roles. Muscular, as we know, our muscular systems involves in movement, so these tissues involves in the movement in the legs, in the arms, in the whole body where movement occurs is due to the muscles. After the epithelial layers, epithelial tissue covers and protect the body. Epithelial tissue covers and protect the body, for example skin. After, there is a nervous tissue. Nervous tissue carries signals in our whole body, in our whole human being, in the whole human being. The signals that are transferred from brain and spinal cord to the whole body structures is due to nervous tissues. After, the last one is the connective tissue. Connective tissue is present in our skeletal system like bones, cartilage, ligaments, tendons. These are all our connective tissues that are present in the human body. After the tissue, the next level of complexity of organization is the organ. What is organ? Here is a very good definition of the organ: a structure formed by the combination of two or more varieties of tissues. This is half definition. This gives half concept of the organ. And second, performs a specific function. This definition gives two concepts of about organ. Organ is composed of two or more varieties of tissue, the first concept. And the second concept is the performs a specific function. Here are two examples of the organ. First is the heart and second is the stomach. How many types of tissues or varieties that are present in the heart? There are four basic varieties of tissues that are present in the heart. And the second thing is that which function is performed by the heart. So this is the second part of the definition: specific function. The specific function that is performed by the heart is the pumping of blood. What is organ system? Organ system is basically group of organs that work together and perform a specific function. In every organ system, we have to focus on these two things. First one is the group of organ and second one is the specific function. Here is an example of the organ system. This is digestive system. First we consider the group of organs it is containing, and after that we will learn what is the specific function it is delivering to the body. The organs which are present in this system are mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestine, pancreas and liver. All these organs combine together and perform a specific function. This is the specific function performed by this system, which is breakdown of food into nutrients and their absorption. After that, this is the list of the organ system that are present in the average human. First one is the digestive system, respiratory system, reproductive, endocrine, excretory, circulatory, nervous, muscular, immune and skeleton. All these systems that contribute with each other and form a whole individual. I hope this will be helping easy and understandable for you.